हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू प्रकाश बैच क्लास 19। आज हमारी 19th क्लास है। इससे पहले की 18 क्लासेस आप प्लेलिस्ट से ज़रूर ले लीजिए। और इसके अलावा जो 15 क्लासेस हैं, टॉप की 15 जो क्लासेस हैं, उसके अंदर आपको सारे लीगल वर्ड्स जो हैं वो A to Z सारे कवर अप करवा रखे हैं, तो उनको डेफिनेटली कवर कर लीजिए। आज हम लोग जनरल मैटर लिखने वाले हैं। इसके अलावा मैंने एक पोल डाल रखा था कि भाई हम जो बैकग्राउंड वॉइस ऐड ऑन कर रखी है हमने, उसको रखना है या फिर नहीं। तो उस पोल पर जा करके जिन लोगों ने अभी तक उस पर वोट नहीं किया है उसको वोट जा करके कर दीजिए, सो डैट मेरे को आइडिया लग सके। अभी तक 90% लोग कह रहे हैं कि जो वॉइस है वो रखनी है। आपका जो भी वोट है उसको वहां पर जा करके कर दीजिए। आज का डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं। गेट रेडी, 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। मिस्टर चेयरमैन, the Honorable Prime Minister, in his short and sweet speech worthy of the occasion, has paid all the compliments to you without exaggeration. It is said of the presiding officers that the presiding officer is not the master of the house. He is the servant of the house. He has neither eyes to see nor ears to hear except as directed by the house. But in your case, you have furnished the seat with a dignity and authority of your own, and the rulings that you have given, especially the rulings you have given on some of the privilege motions, are worthy of entering the pages of parliamentary history. Para. Although it is said that the speaker is one who speaks the least, you had made the question are very likely, and I wonder whether without you the question are will be what it used to be. You have helped us, you have helped the ministers in answering questions by your rich experience and wide knowledge. Although we will be missing you physically, we will be remembering you and all your rulings, which will be vibrating in this hall for years to come. Para. Mr. Chairman, sir, I fully associate with the sentiments that have been expressed now by our beloved Prime Minister. We are assembled here today, and especially have assembled during the last days of this session. And I hope that we would reassemble here during the month of November. But we will be very badly missing our familiar and distinguished chairman here. Para. Sir, you have guided the deliberations of this house for the past 5 years with great dignity, impartiality, patience, and understanding. When we fought with each other, especially during the question hour or any discussions, you brought us to a peaceful atmosphere, and we stopped quarreling with each other. Even though you will not be here in this house, the tradition which you have laid down in the house will definitely be cherished, remembered, and definitely followed. I express gratitude to our party and my personal gratitude to you for the manner in which you have functioned, and you have been independent throughout your career. Sir, especially in the question hour when I was in the Lok Sabha, just by shouting, I used to catch the eye of the speaker. Para. And sir, you are here for the past 5 years, we know we go. It is not a permanent post for us. We do not know what is going to happen to us even after 2 years. We are not wrong to be here permanently. When we go out, whenever we debate on our democratic institutions, especially this upper house and parliament, we will never forget you. We will definitely remember the guidance of our distinguished philosopher and guide. You have been the philosopher and guide and everything for us. We will remember your guidance throughout our lives. Para. Mr. Chairman, flattery is the food of the lesser man, and it is a cheap device of courtiers. But it will be a lack of our culture if we do not recognize greatness in man. Our culture, our tradition are great, whatever may be our internal struggle in this nation, and people have not failed to recognize greatness and virtues in man. They have set an example to other countries of the world in establishing this tradition. Sir, movements arise in the life of man when we have to bid goodbye and bid farewell. However, it is sad and painful. Such a movement has come in the house today. With a heavy heart, with a profound feeling of distress and sorrow mixed with respect, love, and goodwill, we are saying you goodbye. Para. Sir, it is Shakespeare who said, some people are born great, some people achieve greatness, but some others have greatness thrust on them. In your case, you were not born great, nor greatness was thrust on you, but you achieved greatness by your honesty, your integrity, and your selfless service and dedication to ideals and values. Sir, the entire house will agree with me, perhaps, that the lives of great men remind us that we can make our own lives great. By your action and precept, you have achieved sublimity and nobility, which every one of us is proud of and about which we are all happy. Para. May I say that you are associated with this august house during one of the stormiest periods in our history and one of the most trying times. Stop. So guys, ये जनरल मैटर हमने लिख लिया है. स्टार्टिंग में स्पीड 80-85 के अराउंड थी, बीच में 95 to 100 थी और लास्ट में थी 90 के अराउंड. सो आई होप आप लोगों से ये लिखा गया होगा. इसी टाइप का जो एग्जाम में मैटर आपको देखने को मिलेगा. स्टार्टिंग में स्पीड वो स्लो रखेंगे, लास्ट में भी स्लो रखेंगे, बीच में जो है वो स्पीड को इंक्रीज कर देते हैं. सो इस टाइप से प्रिपेयर करते रहेंगे तो आई होप आपकी जो प्रिपरेशन है वो अच्छे से होगी. बस आपको इन क्लासेस को रेगुलरली कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ अटेंड करना है. जैसे मैं कंसिस्टेंटली आपके लिए डिक्टेशंस लेकर आ रहा हूँ, आपको सिर्फ कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ में इनको अटेंड करना है. तो आज की क्लास जो है वो यहीं पर एंड होती है. इसके अलावा आपको जो लीगल वर्ड्स हैं वो स्टार्टिंग की 15 क्लासेस में सारे मिल जाएंगे. तो वहाँ से A to Z सारे लीगल वर्ड्स को अच्छे से याद कर लीजिए, अच्छे से आउटलाइन बना लीजिए, सो डैट लीगल मैटर अगर आता है तो उसके अंदर आपको कोई दिक्कत ना आए. तो आज की क्लास यहीं पर एंड करते हैं. कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो, कोई भी क्वेरी हो तो उसको कमेंट कर सकते हो, या फिर टेलीग्राम का लिंक मैंने आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखा है, वहाँ से मेरे को आप पर्सनली भी कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड गुड बाय।